Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to work on the KAON Recovery Points. Come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, these are the KAON Recovery Points. They are originally made for the Toyota Prado 150 or the LC 150 or the GX and also for the FJ Cruiser. So again, I would like to thank KAON for sending this recovery points to me to be used on my 4RUNNER. Alright, so for this one, this is what you're gonna get on the packaging. So you're gonna get the actual toe points, basically the left and right. Then you're gonna get the hardware. Basically everything is in here. So you'll get the clamping disc, the spacers, the nut wire basically, and then you're gonna get the bolts and some washers. So again, these are nice. I really like them. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description. These are made in Australia, so these are legit. So if you want to purchase this, that's the SKU, or again, I'll put the link on the description. So you'll get this sticker. So they're like 5,000 kilogram working load limit. So that's in pounds. That will be around times 2.2. So how much is that? Like 11.4? Yeah, around that range. Yep. So for this one, basically, again, these are very thick. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to paint them red, because right now I don't like the color, so they're like maroon, but I want red so that they'll be more visible. And yeah, red is life. So on this one, so if you can see this, it has a thread in here. There will be a clamping disc that you will need to put in here, and it will be bolted on the factory toe points. And then we have this hole, and this will be bolted on the factory thread that are covered by sticker. And on this top part, there's two in here. It depends what application. So if you have a Prado or an FJ, this will be utilized whichever. So on the 4RUNNER, I'm not sure which one that we're gonna use. So yeah, so again, these are very heavy, very heavy duty, right? Yeah, so again, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint them red, okay? And then we're gonna proceed with the install. All right, so here they are now after painting them red. So yeah, so it's a lot better right now. So now let's proceed with the install. All right, so to begin with, we need to remove this plug in here. You also need to remove one of the label in here, or the sticker that covers the hole. All right, so those we need to work on removing. This one we need to remove so that we'll have access to feed the nut. So it is a wire nut that we need to feed in there so that we can put the or secure the bolt in here. All right, so let's do that. Okay, and successfully insert the bolt in there in the front. And now we're gonna be working. So I did not remove the plug in here, so we're gonna be using the existing hole on the second one. So over here, so we need to put on the nut on this one. So we're gonna need to fish it here. We're gonna need to find the actual location where we need to do the bend. So we need to do the bend on the second one. So there's a first notch and a second notch, so we're gonna do it on the second notch. So we're gonna bend it in there, basically just fish it here and to this hole. All right, well, I'll be right back. All right, so after you fish that nut, basically tighten it to specs. So for this one, they're asking 125 Newton meter for all of the bolts. So those are successfully been torqued, all of them, and make sure that the wire, just bend it as much as possible close to the frame. You don't want to cut that really, because in case that you need to do a reinstall or uninstalling them and then reinstalling, you're gonna have a hard time putting that bolt back, or probably ordering a new one from KAON, or probably fabricating a new one. All right, so just do the same thing on the other side. All right, so there you go. Everything is set up. Everything is there. Looks good. Looks very good. Yeah, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, that will be from KAON 4x4 from Australia. Awesome. Yeah, they look good. Quality is robust. Yeah, all right. Yeah, so if you find this video helpful or give you any idea, if you have any questions, please leave any comments below. And again, please subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching.